Receiving an academic suspension notice can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't always mean your educational journey is over. Many colleges and universities allow students to submit an appeal explaining the circumstances that affected their academic performance. A well-written appeal letter gives you the opportunity to take responsibility, explain your situation honestly, and demonstrate that you have a realistic plan for academic success moving forward. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to write a professional academic suspension appeal letter, step by step. We'll go through every section individually, explain why each part is important, and use a complete sample that you can easily customize for your own situation. Let's get started. The first section is the sender's information. At the top of the letter, write your full name, mailing address, email address, and phone number. This allows the university to identify your appeal and contact you if additional information is needed. Here's the sample: Madison Hayes, 1854 Evergreen Drive, Portland, Oregon 97205. Madison Hayes at email.com. 503-555-7428. The next section is the date. Always include the date the appeal letter is written. This creates an official record of when your appeal was submitted. For this example, write July 28, 2026. After the date, write the recipient's information. Since this appeal is addressed to a university committee, include the committee name, university name, and location. The sample reads, Academic Appeals Committee, Westbrook University, Portland, Oregon 97204. Now write the subject line. The subject should immediately tell the committee what your letter is about. For this sample, write Subject: Appeal of Academic Suspension Decision. Next comes the salutation. Since the appeal is addressed to a committee rather than one individual, use a respectful greeting. Write, Dear members of the Academic Appeals Committee. Now let's begin with the first paragraph. The opening paragraph clearly states the purpose of the letter while showing respect for the university's academic standards. This is important because the committee wants to see that you understand the seriousness of the suspension and are approaching the appeal professionally. Here's the sample. I am writing to respectfully appeal the decision to suspend me academically for the upcoming semester. I fully understand the importance of maintaining the academic standards established by Westbrook University, and I sincerely appreciate the opportunity to explain the circumstances that contributed to my academic performance. Notice that the student does not argue with the university or criticize the decision. Instead, the paragraph respectfully acknowledges the situation and requests the opportunity to explain. Now let's move to the second paragraph. This paragraph explains the circumstances that affected the student's academic performance. The goal is not to make excuses, but to provide honest and relevant information that helps the committee understand what happened. Here's the sample. During the previous semester, I experienced several unforeseen personal challenges that significantly affected my ability to focus on my studies. A serious family emergency required my time and attention for an extended period, making it difficult to attend classes consistently and complete assignments on schedule. While I accept responsibility for the impact these circumstances had on my academic record, they do not reflect my true commitment to my education or my potential as a student. This paragraph is effective because it explains the situation while also accepting responsibility. Admissions and appeals committees generally appreciate honesty, accountability, and maturity. Now let's continue with the third paragraph. After explaining the circumstances, it's important to remind the committee of your academic history and long-term commitment to your education. This helps demonstrate that the poor performance was an exception rather than your normal standard. The sample says, Before these challenges arose, I maintained satisfactory academic progress and consistently demonstrated dedication to my coursework. I remain passionate about completing my degree and achieving the educational goals that motivated me to enroll at Westbrook University. This paragraph reassures the committee that the student has previously performed well and remains committed to earning a degree. Next comes the fourth paragraph. This is one of the most important sections of the entire letter because it explains what has changed since the suspension. The committee wants evidence that the problems are being addressed and that the student has a realistic plan for future success. Here's the sample. Since receiving notice of my suspension, I have taken meaningful steps to improve my academic readiness. I have developed a structured study schedule, sought guidance from academic advisors, and identified campus support services that will help me better manage both my academic responsibilities and personal commitments. I am also committed to maintaining regular communication with my instructors and seeking assistance whenever necessary. Notice that this paragraph doesn't simply promise to work harder. Instead, it provides specific actions that demonstrate preparation and responsibility. Now let's move to the fifth paragraph. This paragraph respectfully requests reconsideration and expresses confidence in the student's ability to succeed if given another opportunity. Here's the sample. I respectfully request that the committee reconsider my academic suspension and allow me the opportunity to continue my studies. I am confident that, if given another chance, I will demonstrate the determination, discipline, and academic performance expected of a Westbrook University student. Keep this request respectful and confident without sounding demanding. Remember that the committee is making an important academic decision. Now let's look at the closing paragraph. The closing thanks the committee for reviewing the appeal and expresses appreciation for their time and consideration. The sample reads, "Thank you for taking the time to review my appeal and consider my circumstances. I sincerely appreciate your understanding and would be grateful for the opportunity to continue my education. I look forward to your favorable consideration." A polite and appreciative closing leaves a positive final impression. Finally, end the letter with a professional closing. Write, "Sincerely, then write your name. Madison Hayes." Before we finish, here are some important tips for writing an effective academic suspension appeal letter. Be honest about what happened and avoid blaming the university, professors, or other people for your academic difficulties. Accept responsibility where appropriate. Explain the circumstances clearly, and focus on facts rather than emotions. Universities are more likely to consider appeals that demonstrate accountability and maturity. Also, be sure to explain exactly what has changed since your academic difficulties occurred. Describe the specific steps you've taken to improve, such as creating a study plan, seeking academic support, improving time management, or addressing the personal issues that affected your performance. Showing a clear plan for future success often makes an appeal much stronger than simply asking for another chance. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial. I hope this step-by-step guide has helped you understand how to write a professional academic suspension appeal letter with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more writing guides and sample letters, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.